All right, let's dive right into it. I've got a confession to make, and it's something that might just shake up your perspective. Everyone loves a good origin story, right? Well, here's mine. Workforce Charm was born out of a time when I was unemployed. Yes, you heard that right, unemployed, because who doesn't decide to launch a business when they're literally out of a job, right? So let's rewind a bit. I was just coming off of maternity leave, ready to jump back into work when I got hit with the news that I was laid off. So talk about a shock to the system. I mean, I was in contact with my company my entire leave. They kept telling me they couldn't wait to have me back. And yet here I was suddenly jobless with bills to pay and a new little person depending on me. And it was really like just getting sucker punched out of nowhere. Now, I could have easily fallen into panic mode, and trust me, the temptation was real, but bills don't stop just because you get laid off. And as much as I wanted to wallow in self-pity, I knew I had to figure something out and I had to figure it out fast. So what did I do? I decided to turn my situation around. I thought, hey, maybe this is the universe pushing me towards something better. I convinced myself that transitioning from unemployment to entrepreneurship would be this neat little process, predictable steps, something like following a recipe. You mix in some determination, you add a dash of creativity, and just poof, you've got a successful business, right? Yeah, no. Reality had other plans. The road was anything but straight. It was more like a roller coaster with no safety harness, and it was full of just unexpected drops, hairpin turns, and just more than a few moments of me just asking myself, just what the heck am I doing? And let's be real for a second. The journey to building my business, Workforce Charm, wasn't glamorous. It wasn't Instagram worthy or filled with easy wins. And it took every ounce of creativity, resilience, and let's be honest, just pure stubbornness to make it work. There were nights where I questioned everything, moments where I wanted to throw in the towel, but something just kept pushing me forward. And you know what? There were also moments of pure panic as well, times when I felt like I was in way over my head. But every time I hit a wall, I'd just dig deeper and find a way around it. And sometimes that meant getting scrappy. Other times it meant reaching out for help, which brings me to something crucial that I want to share with you. Enter the Self-Employment Assistant Program through New York State. If you've never heard of it, let me tell you, it was very helpful for me. So without it, I probably wouldn't be here sharing this story. And this program just gave me the breathing room I needed to transition into entrepreneurship. It was like someone handing me a lifeline when I was treading water in the middle of the ocean. And it provided me with the support and resources to get Workforce Charm off the ground, and more importantly, to keep it going. So if you're ever in a position where you're considering starting your own thing, don't overlook the resources that are out there for you. Sometimes it's the lifeline you didn't even know existed that makes all the difference. And, out of all of that chaos and uncertainty, Workforce Charm was born. And let me tell you, it did not go according to plan because what plan? But the results, they've been more impactful than I ever imagined. I've had the privilege of helping over 4,000 professionals not just survive, but thrive in their careers. I'm talking about real, tangible results, people getting promoted, finding new opportunities, and transforming their careers in ways they never thought possible. And it all started from a place of uncertainty, a place where I could have easily given up, but I didn't. And that's what I want to hammer home here. If I can do it, so can you. Now, let's flip this back to you. Are you stuck in that same old cycle? Are you waiting for the perfect moment to make your move? It doesn't exist. The perfect moment is a myth. It's a lie we tell ourselves to justify staying in our comfort zone. So, if I can employ you to do anything, stop waiting. Let's just be real. Playing it safe does not get you anywhere. If you're sitting around waiting for all of the stars to align before you take action, you'll be waiting forever. And life doesn't hand you opportunities on a silver platter. You've really got to create them. So turn your challenges into opportunities. Use those setbacks as fuel to push you forward. Trust me, staying in your comfort zone is only holding you back. So here's what I want you to do. Stop playing it safe. Stop waiting for the right time. Start thinking about how you can turn your current situation, whatever it is, into an opportunity. And if you're not sure where to start, let's connect. I'm here to help you figure it out. Look, I've been where you are. I've felt the fear, the uncertainty, the doubt, but I've also seen what's possible when you push through all of that. If you're ready to make your next move, your best one, let's do it together. So drop a comment below, ask a question, or just reach out, because trust me, the only thing standing between you and the life you want is the decision to go after it. So thanks for hanging out with me today. If you got something out of this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Let's keep the conversation going, and I will see you in the next video.